Hey, what's up guys? It's Matt Campbell here at Four Seasons Virden. I'm standing in front of the 2010 Forest River Sierra. Let's flip the camera around and check it out. All right, this is the 2010 Forest River Sierra 292 RL. Give you a quick tour of the exterior here and then we'll head inside. Up front you are going to have your power tongue jacks, so simply click the button, zip up and down. Got your propane tanks up front there as well. Your battery tray is going to have a full fiberglass front cap, so a little bit more insulation, a little bit more protection on the front there. Got your pass-through storage up front. Pretty good space there for your lawn chairs, tables, any of your camping accessories. Gonna have a automatic awning on this one, so again, simply click the button, zip in and out. Give you a view of the tires here. Still looking pretty nice shape. Got some good tread there. Got your spare tire on the bumper there. Ladder for access onto your roof. And a little tight here, but all your water hookups gonna be right there, as well as your 50 amp service. Cable's just inside this compartment here. Let's head inside here. All right, now we are inside the Sierra here. Got a nice little coat hanger as you walk in to hang your coat. Little storage compartment right as you walk in. There's storage compartment on the bottom there. Give you a quick 360 of the living room here. Nice big windows on this unit. Spot for your TV in the corner there. Nice kitchen, has the fold up for your additional countertop space. I just got one hand, but that should lock up there. Going to have your gas electric fridge on this one. Good size. Got your booth dinette there. Your sofa. Your two chairs at the back. One spot I always like to check on these older trailers is the corners. They look good as far as any sign of any water coming in. They look good in that regard. Good. View of your kitchen from the back here. Got your washroom here with an access door from your bedroom. Gonna have your corner shower. View of that. Little medicine cabinet there. Storage underneath. We'll head into the bedroom here. Spot for your TV in the corner with another little storage compartment. Nice windows in your bedroom to make it feel really nice and spacious. Again, corners look good. Yeah, for the year, Really nice looking trailer. If there's anything I missed or any additional questions on it, please let me know. I'd be more than happy to get some additional information over to you.